Jai Bhim, my brothers and sisters. Today, 14th April, is 129th birth anniversary of Bodhisattva Param Pujya Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Today is the biggest day of celebration. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, he was a hero, he was the greatest leader, a greatest politician, a scientist, a thinker and a writer. He was not just a messiah for the downtrodden people, but he gave the equal rights to men and women to work on equal basis in all the sectors. Baba Saheb gave us the greatest gift of Buddhism. He realized that Buddhism is the only religion which can save mankind. In Buddhism, all the principles they based on giving the equal human rights to each and every individual and develop a self-respect. Unlike other religions, there is no cruelty in Buddhism. Baba Saheb then became the greatest constitution writer. He developed the modern India for women, where women work together, educate together with men. And Baba Saheb gave us a 22 oaths. 22 oaths for us to implement in our life, to follow it from childhood, adulthood, and furthermore in our life. Baba Saheb wanted us to follow it very strictly and keep our mind very clear, that to stay away from the confusion like the following the fallacies, the superstitions and the timeless rituals. So Baba Saheb wanted us to concentrate on our own task to get the higher education. Baba Saheb studied Buddhism and he realized that there are 3 universal truths, the 4 noble truths, 5 precepts and the 8 paths. So while we follow all these principles, we are living a very good life with good morals and with good understanding. Pradnya, Shil and Karuna, that is the wisdom, the knowledge, enlightenment. Then comes the good morals, good behavior and the kindness. So with these 3 triple gems, 5 precepts, we can lead our life without any hesitation. Equally, Baba Saheb made all the strict rules and regulations to punish the injustice. Without the lifelong efforts of Baba Saheb, the continuous struggle, it was not possible for an untouchable to get a rightful place in the nation or in the community. Baba Saheb was the first person who went to study abroad from the backward class. Baba Saheb came back, he kept studying, he kept studying all the religion, and he found that what we need and what is more important for us to follow in our life. He wanted us to work together. He wanted all the rights for women. He wanted the awareness of all the rights to each and every individual, the basic importance of education for each and every individual. Similarly, he wants us to work the same way he thought. Most of the things has been done for us. Now we have to implement few simple principles in our life to make our life very successful and get all the tasks and our dream come true. Baba Saheb at that time, he realized the disease similar to the corona, which was untouchability. Untouchability was not a crime, it was taken granted. Furthermore, Baba Saheb eradicated this untouchability and made secure some reservations for the downtrodden people, the lower caste people. Baba Saheb was the first person to make family planning operations. Then he made the basic rules for women to choose according to their own choices like marriage, divorce, and furthermore. So he believes that once woman is developed, then only the country has all the power and approach the success. So we should follow all the different perspective and all the principle he wrote for us, and we will surely get success. Thank you. Jai Bhim.